So today I will be making breakfast. We'll be making bacon, eggs, waffles, and we're gonna cook some turkey. Let's do it. First off, I'm finna go and put this bacon in the oven. Y'all let me know in the comments, what's the most important meal of the day? If you ask me, I'll say breakfast.
Oh shit, that's motherfucker.
Fuck boy, what you gonna do? Hey yo, Mike, ain't no phone when the rabbit got the gun, huh?
Bacon, straight in the oven. Now, type in the comments. I know a lot of people like to cook their bacon different. See, when we was coming up, we always used to put it in the oven. And then when I got a little older, I started cooking it on the stove. But then sometimes you don't wanna feel all that pop, you know what I'm saying, get burnt by some grease, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you don't wanna go through that. So you put it in the oven. Okay, next step. I'm gonna turn on this eye right here. Spoon. Get you a nice scoop of butter. Okay. After that, see, people do theirs different. Some people like cracking their eggs and putting it, you know what I'm saying, straight in the pan. See, I like to crack my eggs and put them in a bowl. I wish I had that thing, you know what I'm saying, that stirred it up, but I got a spoon for right now, so I'm just gonna stir it up. I know some people too, they like to put their eggshells back in the cart. I just throw mine away. I ain't got time to be looking in the refrigerator and then thinking we got some eggs. And the whole time you look, oh, it's a busted egg, and they're like, just throw it away. Four of them. I'm gonna cook 5 today. I'm hungry. I'm sorry, guys. Call me Big Back or whatever you want to in the comments. It's time to eat. And type in the comments if you love my cooking videos, because it seems like, you know, I get better feedback when I have my cooking videos. Like, I'm versatile. You'll see me one day putting out music. You'll see me one day putting cooking videos out. The next day you'll see me, you know, doing vlogs, you know what I'm saying? Like I was just playing basketball. Make sure y'all go check that basketball video out with me and Lil Cam. And then, you know, a week straight you might be seeing me do interviews. So, you know, you never know what you get out of me. That's why I feel like people love this channel, because I'm just not stuck in one bubble. I'm versatile, I'm all around, and you just pick and choose what you like from me. You know, no cap. What's the best thing you like that One Voice do? Put it in the comments. Look at that, look at that. Part of this video will be going on TikTok, so, you know, if I don't put the whole video on TikTok, y'all know what to do. Come straight to my YouTube. Alright? See, I know a lot of people like their eggs different. See, I'm different. I put turkey in my eggs. Put in the comments how you like your eggs. So y'all just take it, chop it up, cut it up, tear it up. Just put it in there. And you can eat me a piece too. And rule number one, when you cooking, if you clean as you go, you ain't gotta clean that much afterwards. So, you know, do your little job. Do it ahead of time. Just thank me later. Alright. All we need, salt and pepper in the eggs. Stir it up. Stir it up. Y'all see the turkey in there? Yummy, yummy. Oh, so good. Stop playing with me. Whip that thing up right in there. Type in the comments, do you feel like you'll eat one for his food? Watch how he hit the pan though. Yeah. Yeah. Stop playing with me. I think I should be up there with cooking with Kaya when I make my meals, because I tell you, I ain't have nobody complain about this cooking. They be like, man, well, you know how to cook. And I know that's just a recipe, a specialty a man can have. If you work hard, you know what I'm saying, paying the bills like you supposed to, you know, providing the whole 9 yard, you know what I'm saying, protection, and you know how to cook, that boy a plus. Instead of me getting that on my knee and putting a ring on somebody's finger, somebody should give me a ring. How about that? How about that? All right, let me get special. Watch this special now. And my bad if I ain't get to see it soon. I started this video. Grand rising to everybody. No cap. And put in the comments, do you like your eggs scrambled? Do you like them fried? Or do you like the omelets? Because I can do them mild. I'll be right back. Let me check on that bacon.
Oh, you know this guy? Yeah, I hit him with a hammer a couple years ago.
You think I forgot about that fucking hoe shit you pulled off of Manny's prime rib?
How the fuck did I let you two catch me?
Mike, I want my $5 million.
Marcus!
You see, I got the fam with me, the streets.
Now, I know some people lactose intolerant, but I gotta have cheese. What y'all looking at? You do realize I gotta flip the bacon, don't you? You probably ain't never seen nobody flip nothing. That's probably why y'all probably gonna be like, you should have just put it on the stove. One voice, you don't know what you're doing. One voice know what he doing. Y'all just mind y'all business. Just sit back there and watch. If you want something, place your orders in the comments. How about that? Y'all still looking at me, bro? Hey, bro, stop playing with me, bro. I got thirsty, bro. For real. Keep you hydrated. But don't forget, also drink your H2O. It's waffle time. Let's go. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll be right back. Breakfast is served. Just look at that. You telling me you won't eat that? Look at that. Stop playing. Now, all you need now, serve, and it's about to go down. It's your boy One Voice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this video out to 5 people that you want to see make it in life. Just 5 of them. And I appreciate all y'all for the love and support. Till next time. Peace.